Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about frequency modulation. Let's take the next problem. Which of the following are the advantages of FM over AM? These points I discussed in the waveforms concept. In the waveforms concept I discussed. He given some statements and he given some options. Better noise humidity, S. What is the main reason here? Generally noise is affecting amplitude more, and in AM signal message information is also in AM, but in FM message information frequency, if any amplitude variations also, that will be totally you can clip off because there is no information on amplitude variations. Yes, better noise humidity. Lower bandwidth. Is it correct or wrong? Please tell me. What is the bandwidth of AM? AM bandwidth is 2 FM, but FM is 2 plus beta 1 into FM. Beta plus 1 times more. So lower bandwidth is wrong statement. Now I think we can make the answer. Of course, 1, 3, 4. In the examination, go like that. Don't waste your time. Of course, whether if you know that remaining two statements are no need of reading it. So that's why accurately see the question. So that's why my intention of taking this problem also. Like that, save your time and proceed, especially in ESA exam. In GATE examination, somehow little comfort is there in solving or in the coming to the consent of the timing, because only 65 questions. Clear? Yeah. Remaining two I am not doing. Anyhow, option I got it.